Hi there, everyone. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. Today, we're going to know about how to use transitions in CapCut. As we all know, CapCut has been the most usable editing apps in the recent times. So, let's start and see the process. So, we have to, first of all, we have to create a page. Suppose I'm going to select the TikTok page 9 into 16. See, it has been just popped up. After that, we have to upload minimum two pictures to use the transition. Okay, suppose I will take this picture. As I'm a Marvel fan, you can see. And after just uploading the picture, we have to give the second picture in the upload mode. Here we can see there are two pictures, by the way, side by side. Just have to fit on the screen so it looks good. After that, we can use the transition. You can go to the transition mode in the left side. Here you can see that, press transition. There are many options. You can select the trending mode. See, there are lots of options. I personally like the white flash transition mode. So let's start this. Okay, click here. Look, it has been selected. So if you play the picture as a video, we can see the process. See, the transition has been added. It's very useful and very easy, and anyone can use it. Hope the video was helpful to you. See you in the next video. Thank you.